Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Actually guys, when I woke up, I decided to send a Friday analysis video, and that was of course the plan. But however, I'm not really sure about the market movement on Friday, to be honest. Right now, I spent like 30 minutes here looking at the charts, and to be honest with you guys, I really not so sure how the market will move. Interestingly here, the USDJPY signal has finally been activated, but after exceeding the take profit level, which is really nice. I mean, now it's running in more than 45 pips of profit. NZD/USD still at the break even, and the gold, as we have all seen, it was a big success. However, for today movement or today analysis, what I'm actually, I cannot say sure, but I can say that I can send a deal is the gold. The gold seems like it have a clear movement, which actually can be easily read, and I think we can make some pips today trading the gold. So let me just tell you what's happening right here. So if we move right now to the daily chart, now the daily chart showing us actually a strong rejection from the breakout of the support right here exactly at 1914.51. So our original take profit level was our original take profit level was right here on that support at 1902.60. That was of course the original target, and I believe the gold will actually go to that level, but not today. Today the gold seems like it's actually respecting that level of a previous support at 1914.51, and therefore I believe for today we will actually be buying the gold. However, we have to understand that the take profit level cannot be high as well, because I think that we can start selling the gold exactly right here at that level of a previous resistance, exactly at 1934.37. Then the gold will most likely gonna continue the fall to another 300 pips. That means that most likely the gold will continue the rise till it reach that level, and that, my friend, is here where we want to buy the gold. Also, that this price action right here on the daily chart, once you see this candle has appeared on the daily chart, it's actually a good confirmation that the market is gonna make a pullback or a bullish pullback. Therefore, let's just move now to the 30-minute time frame. Now, keep in mind something, guys. I want to go back to the 4-hour time frame. And keep in mind that this current 4-hour candle still has about 6 minutes for the closure, which means we don't really have much time, because most likely the new candle is going to be bearish one, retesting a broken level of a resistance. Therefore, moving now to the 30-minute time frame. Now on the 30-minute time frame, what we will do right here is simply highlighting the real level of a resistance and a real level of a support. Check this out. So this is actually my strategy, is to look at the bullish breakout candle from the real level of the resistance, then draw a line at the opening price of the candle and the closing price of the candle, and look for the nearest support in the range of that bar. So as we can see, all we see here is a resistance, and then right here we can see clearly that we had a previous level of a support, which is the nearest one to that bullish breakout candle. Now, what we want to do next is simply track the gold's movement every time it has made the same scenario, just to be sure if the history gonna repeat itself. So let's now scroll to the left side, and let's track how the gold has reacted to that level. So here, of course, it was a resistance, then it was a small support for a few pips only. Let me just delete the other line so it will not confuse you. This line right here. Alright, so let's now keep scrolling to the left and track the history. How did the gold react to 1914? So as you can see, 1921. As you can see, guys, the gold has made a strong bullish reversal for about 47 pips, and actually made a fake breakout for 70 pips before rising again for not less than 400 pips. Again, the gold has made a reaction and reversed for more than 137 pips. And again, we can see the same thing happened right here. The same thing happened right here. Again, the gold has made a strong bullish movement, and then the support has been respected for about 90 pips. And again, right here, went for about 156 pips. So therefore, that level, guys, is strong. And another way actually to confirm it is by simply using the support and resistance trend line magic. How do we do that? Is by simply draw here the support trend line, of course, from the lowest point right here exactly all the way right here, marking of course the highest the real level of a supported trend line. Now it's actually almost completed. Now we can see clearly that we had here a supported trend line, another supported trend line. It became a resistance trend line for only once, and now the gold has made a bullish movement from that level, so most likely that supported trend line will also be respected. Now another way also to confirm this entry is by using the support trend line again from different perspective, which is of course right here like that. Check this out. So right here we also do have a supported trend line, as you can see. This was support trend line number 1, a fake breakout, again supported trend line number 1, number 2, and it became a resistance trend line for barely an attempt at all, and then instantly the market broke out from that level, and now most likely it will go back again right here and respects the same level of the supported trend line, and afterward the gold is gonna continue the rise. So therefore I would recommend to buy the gold from 1921.43. Now for the take profit level, as I mentioned earlier, let's go back to the daily chart. The take profit level will be placed right here at that level of a previous resistance, where we want to start buying the gold, selling the gold again, exactly right there at 1934.30. So that being said, back to the 1 hour time frame, our take profit level is gonna be 127 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the stop loss shouldn't actually be lower than this level of a previous support for about 61 pips only. Let me now write the signal for you. And there goes your deal, my friends, on the gold. I have a feeling that it will just continue rising to hit the take profit level straight, just like what happened yesterday with the pound NZD signal. It hasn't been triggered, it just went straight to the take profit level. But again, hopefully guys, this signal will be activated and hopefully it will hit the take profit level today. But again, I have to remind you, just because this signal coming from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% profitable one. It might lose, it might fail. So guys, for that, please be careful. I'm so happy to say that this week I had, of course, I would say like 95% accuracy. The only signal that has failed this week was the pound JPY deal of the day on Monday. That was the only one that have failed. The rest of the signals, thankfully, have all of them worked very well and going toward the take profit level. So there is a chance for this signal to fail. And of course, if you guys want to be safe, I would recommend everyone to join the free group of Telegram to receive any updates from me directly, such as this one right here, when I said that we have to close now the pound USD signal from the midweek analysis video in 117 pips of profit. And similar thing about the pound NZD. It already hit take profit level without being activated. So to receive these updates from me directly, please join the free group of Telegram, and hopefully guys, we will all trade together as Xtreme Trader team. Now I think that's gonna be it. I wish everyone a happy weekend, and hopefully it's gonna be a good signal. Until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.